Sophie. I'm writing these vows as a reflection of the past 4 years we've shared and as a promise for the years to come. I think you know the feeling, that sense of complete comfort and joy, the quiet certainty that no matter what each day brings, we will always have each other. From our first date to this very moment, and for the rest of my life, I know that I'm with the most amazing person I've ever met.
Riley, I've been dreaming of my wedding day since I was a little girl. But I've been dreaming of this exact moment right here with you since the chilly spring night at the drive-in movie theater in May 2021 when my life forever changed. Before you, my life was black and white. With you, my life is the most colorful and wonderful there is. In a few hours, we will be husband and wife and become one. I promise to love you and be there for you, no matter what life throws our way.
In his letter to the Corinthians, St. Paul speaks today of what true love is all about. St. Paul was someone who had to suffer much for the love of Christ. When he writes his letter to the Corinthians, the church in Corinth had a lot of rivalries and a lot of problems. St. Paul goes on to tell them that he could have the best and the greatest gifts. He could prophesy. He could understand the deepest mysteries of God. He could have faith so deep as to move mountains. He could give away all of his possessions and even his own life. But if he didn't have love, all would be nothing.
I vow to always be your Prince Charming. I vow to give you love, patience, respect, and understanding through every chapter of our life. And most of all, I vow to love you forever and to always be by your side.
I promise to make our lives feel like the fairy tale we deserve. To be the princess to your prince. To make our home feel as magical as you've made me feel since my eyes met yours. Out of all the places I've been, all the places I've seen, and all the feelings that I've felt, nothing compares to loving you, and I promise to love you forever and always.
Claro, I like. Bellísima, amor. Wow. I found the thread. It's so beautiful. I love it.
How has my older sister gone through life without an older sister? For the longest time, she's figured it out on her own, but she doesn't have to anymore. She has Riley. You have treated my sister like the princess she is since the day you've met her. I hope you have as much fun growing old with her as I did growing up with her.
Sophia, I'm filled with joy. We are so happy you found your prince. But this prince came with blonde hair, blue eyes, but the most important thing, great heart and beautiful soul.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. And if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. And if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. Just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off.
If you look at these two, you can almost see sparks flying back and forth between them, you know, and it's just beautiful to see that. So don't ever let that in. To Sophia and Riley, many years of happiness and a never-ending love.
I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my